Hello, my name is Cindy Corrales, and I chose the activity where the students will be matching the state birds and state flowers to the state they belong to. And I started out by printing out a map of all the states and trying to position them where they actually go as best as I could. And since this is for second graders, I tried to make it a little bit easier for them and label them so they don't have to search for them too hard, and even added a compass. I printed out pictures of the birds and flowers with their names on them. There's note cards with the clues, and then there's a grid where they will put everything together. So the way they would do this is they would get a clue and look at it and say the forget-me-not is from the northernmost state. So then they can go to the map and say, okay, there's north. What state is more north? What's at the very top? Oh, look, that's Alaska. So forget-me-not, is it a flower or a bird? Oh, look, that's a flower. So we can put that on Alaska. They would go to the next clue and read, loons and lady slippers go together, but Minnesota and mistletoe do not. So they know that mistletoe is not going to go to Minnesota, but they already know that they can put loons and lady slippers together. So they're going to look for those two things. Here's your loon. Let's find our lady slipper. And since that says Minnesota, they'll probably put it on Minnesota. Okay, go to the next clue. The flycatcher loves to nest in the mistletoe. So we're not sure where those go yet, but we can put them together. So you get your mistletoe and look for your flycatcher, and you can put them together to the side till you figure out what state they belong to. The willow is not from the camellia state. So you know those two, that this bird will not go with this flower. You know that already because it's telling you. So that leaves this bird, so you know those two are going to go together. So every other bird is already paired up with the flower. They will know then this bird will go to Alaska. And the next clue is the yellow hammer is from a southeastern state. They're going to go back to their map and try to figure out what state is most southeast. And that would be Alabama. So they can get those two items since they're already together and put them on Alabama. And that only leaves these two, making it easy to fill in Oklahoma. And they're done.